big guy. Watch out. They gon' feel us when we roll. They call them big guy. Okay. And we be putting you already know.
It's pretty good, yeah. Be laying out, guys. Tell motherfuckers, I'm gonna show y'all tonight when we go across. It's only one certified.
Yes, sir. My things. Big homie got some medicine here, and we don't know what it is. So if you guys know what this is, please put it in the comments below. Upset stomach. Okay. So if you got upset stomach, right?
That's what it said.
See? So you got upset stomach. Do you have to take it with? Well, you already ate some dinner already, so you good. All right, so hold on. I can't even see this shit. Oh, let me get my glasses. Hey guys, we gotta put that in some water, like aqua seltzer. And what else she got on that big time? He got he got an actual aqua seltzer. Okay. So we was tripping because it's really the same thing, but in Spanish.
I know that.
Right. I'll pray for all of us. Right.
I was looking at this package, and I'm like, yeah, let me see this.
Right. I haven't looked at the menu yet. We're not quite there yet. I think I'm gonna get this turkey avocado croissant. Keep it nice and light for now so I can eat something later. Cocos, guys. Cocos Bakery. Got famous hamburgers. Heard the food was amazing. It's probably 1 mile from the Mexico border. So you guys stay tuned. We're gonna see what this is all about. I got something simple like an avocado croissant because this guy's trip, as you see. And we just gonna be hanging out, doing what we do. So you guys stay tuned. This is what we end up getting at Cocos. What is that over there? Hash browns and sausage and
Country fried potatoes, they say.
Yeah, that looks
Country potato sauce, pancakes on the way.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That look good as well too. I like we get the this Puerto Rican style on top of the potatoes, the egg, and then you bust it open and it goes out everywhere. Then we got this croissant. Salad. I got the same thing here. Keep it light for now, just put something in the belly. And then later we're gonna have something heavy and sky shrimp. So you already know. Oh my goodness, look at this just came That looks good. Real good. Let's get it. 2 sauces. Sorry, 3-pack sauce. 3-pack sauce. Got your avocados. Got your ham. Turkey. Okay. All right, guys. I did too. I don't even hardly see the meat on here. Alright guys, so you got a lot of vegetables. As you see, not that much meat. But maybe that's a good thing for now. So I'm not gonna complain. Let's go and give it a taste.
One way.
Fresh. For sure.
Anything else for that one?
The sauces, dressing. This is Thousand Island. Get out of here, buddy. It's homemade. Both the dresses are homemade. It's all gone. That's it. No more Cocos. Ooh, that does apple look good. You welcome.
What we getting, Sheriff?
Yes, sir. You know, see me in. They ain't like I changed clothes from yesterday's video. And, you know, them laughing in the background. They laughing at something else. But, you know, as a food critic or best friend,
Yes,
we're
sir.
going to make sure this is tight and right all the way to Mexico. Tune in later on, part 2.
Yes, sir.
Viva la Mexico.
And what you got there? Pecan pie?
Pecan pie.
Oh, that look good, too.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. All right, guys. Y'all heard it from the man himself.
And it's not the Dollar Tree.
Not the Dollar Tree. We at Cocos. We out of Cocos.